Okay, good morning, students. Good morning, each and everyone. So, our is today we are going to do a craft topic as we have done in the previous lecture. We have done the fun with geometrical shape, and in this lecture, we are going to do a craft topic, and the topic name is tulip. Yes, we are going to draw, we are going to make a craft flower. Yes, we are going to make a craft flower, and this is the tulip flower which we are going to make. Yes, just look at this. So this is what we are going. I'm going to teach you. So this is the tulip flower which I'm going to make. So for making the flower, you can use violet color, light violet color paper, or you can use yellow color, or you can use orange color. Okay. But for making the stem and the leaf, what you need is you need a green color paper. Okay. I don't have green color right now, so I have used a blue color. Okay. For making the stamp, you have to use green color. Okay, so now keep in mind that we have to make the flower. So you have got a craft paper like this. So what you have to do is you have to take a scale. Okay, you have to take a scale and you have to draw a square of 10 by 10 centimeter. Okay, I'll just turn the camera so that you can easily see this. Okay, so just wait a minute. Okay, so here this is my paper I'm having over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure a 10 centimeter. I'm going to mark a 10 centimeter and I'm going to make a square in this way. Okay, so just look at this. Here I'm making a square, so I'm just cutting this paper out. You have to make a square of 10 centimeter. Okay, you have to make a square of 10 centimeter. Okay, what you can do is you can just place this paper right over here in this part. Okay, and you just have to cut it out. So this is how we have got a square paper. Okay, so now what we have to do is I'm going to show you how to make this tulip flower. So I hope each and everyone is ready. So let's begin with this. So first thing what you have to do is you have to fold this paper into half in a triangle position. Okay, so this is how you're going to fold the paper. Just look at this. Yes, after folding this paper, you have to fold it from the top little bit. Okay, this way. Okay, after doing this, what you have to do is fold the right side corner and touch it to the border of this. Okay, just look at this. Okay, after doing this, do as you have done on the right side, do it same on the left hand side. Touch it properly and just press it. Yes, just look at this. Just open this side now. Okay, after doing this, what you have to do is you just have to turn it around, turn it back side, and you have to fold it in this way. Yes, you have to fold it in this way, corner. Just look at this. This way you have to fold it. Same way on the other side as you're done on the left hand side, same way you have to do it on the right hand side. Just look at this way. Okay, so when you flip the paper, you will get it in this shape. Yes, just look at this. This is our tulip flower. Yes, is it? It's very simple and it's very easy. Just look at this. Press the corners properly so that it don't get open easily. Press the corner properly. And now what you have to do, keep the flower aside. Now we are going to make the stem. Yes, so we are going to make the stem and the leaf. So it's attached. So what you have to do is same way you have to fold the paper into half this way. Okay, open the paper. You've got a center line. What you have to do is you have to fold it in this way. Get the, fold the paper properly. Don't do here and there. Your corner should be matched properly. Okay, just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. Yes, just look at this. Here I have folded the paper in this way. Yes, I've got a proper sharp edge. Turn the paper, fold it in this way. Yes, this is the way how you're going to do it. Yes, okay. So now what you have to do is you have to fold this paper in this way. Okay, folded this paper in this way. Now what you have to do, this small side you have to fold it into another half. Just look at this. Yes, just look at this. This is how you're going to fold it. Same way on the other side. Fold it properly. We need a sharp edge. Okay, just look at this. Yes, this is how we have folded the paper in this way. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to fold it into half. We have got some much more folds. Just look at this. Press it nicely. Now what you have to do is we have to fold it into half. We have to touch the edge in this way. Yes, just look at this. This is the way how you're going to fold the paper. Yes, after you have fold the paper, what you have to do is you have to fold it in this way, and you just have to do a slight turn in this part in this way. Just look at this. Press it in this way and just press it out. Just look at this way. Okay, I hope each and everyone has understood this. Here, this is the leaf and this is the stem. So here is our flower. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a slight cut to this edge in this way and put one finger inside of this flower just to make it, broad, and just look at this. Here our flower is ready. Yes, just look at this. Make a small cut, okay? Don't make a big one. Make a small cut. Yes, just look at this. Here our flower is ready. Yes. I hope each and everyone has understood this, how to do it. Just look at this. This is our tulip flower, which we have done. Is that clear to each and everyone? You can take a Fevicol. You can take a Fevicol and you can just paste it. I'll just bring the Fevicol. Here I have got my Fevicol. So what I'll do, I'll just apply the Fevicol on this part and the opposite part. Okay. After applying the Fevicol, I'll just put this stamp inside this flower. Yes, in this way. Yes. After putting this flower inside, just paste it properly. Press it nicely. Yes. Press it nicely in this way. Okay. And you can just paste this side also. If you want, you can apply the Fevicol and you can paste this part. Press it nicely. This is the opposite side. Okay. This is the back side of the tulip flower, and just look at this. This is our tulip flower ready. Yes. Just look at this. I hope each and everyone has understood this. Yes, Purvaja, I'll just show you again. Okay, my first question is, anyone having doubt in this flower? Each and everyone had got the idea how to do this flower? ये flower आपको आता है? Everyone? No? Okay, I'll just show you again. One more time, I'll just show you. Here I have got my another paper. Just look at this. Pay attention properly what I'm doing. We need a small square. This is a regular size craft paper. What you have to do is you have to take 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter square you have to make. Okay. What you have to do is you have to make 10 by 10 centimeter square. Okay. So just look at this. Take a measurement from this corner and just mark a 10 centimeter point and just cut the paper. Okay. Okay, I have taken 10 centimeter measurement and I'm cutting this paper into half. Okay, just look at this. ये आपका 10 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर हो गया है. ये आपका रेगुलर पेपर है. ये 10 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर है. ओके, सो फॉर मेकिंग द फ्लावर मैं एकदम आराम से आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. ओके, what you have to do is first fold this paper in this way. Fold the paper into half ऐसे. ऐसे आपको पेपर को हाफ कर लेना है. Each and everyone have done this. Those who are doing in this class, they can just turn on the camera. Okay, कौन कर रहा है ये क्लास में? They can just turn on the camera and show me how they are doing this. ये आपका हाफ हो गया. Yes, ये आपने किया. Each and everyone have done this. Okay, so now what you have to do, place the paper in a triangle shape in this way. Okay, नीचे रखो. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, ये जहां पे आप बैठे हो ये नीचे आएगा और ये ऊपर आएगा. ये ऐसे एरो बनाना है. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, ऊपर से आपको थोड़ा सा फोल्ड करना है. डोंट प्रेस इट मच. आपको थोड़ा सा फोल्ड करना है इस तरह. ओके, आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज गेटिंग दिस. ये आपको ऐसे फोल्ड करना है। किया सबने? ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अब आपको ये चीज को ये वाले कॉर्नर पे आपको पॉइंट करना है इन दिस वे। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, ऐसे। ये देखो मैंने क्या किया, ये जो कॉर्नर है, ये जो कॉर्नर है इसको मैंने फोल्ड करके, ये जो पॉइंट है यहाँ पे मैंने उसको ऐसे करके फोल्ड किया। ओके, सेम वे ऑन दिस पार्ट, ऐसे रख के आपको क्या करना है, फोल्ड करना है पॉइंट पे। ये देखो किया सबने, दिखाओ मुझे, शो मी ईच एंड एवरी वन। ओके, till here each and everyone is clear. Now look at me what I'm doing now. What I'm going to do is, ये जो मैंने फोल्ड किया है इसको मैं ओपन कर दूंगा। इसको ओपन कर दो इस तरह। यस, अब मैं क्या करूंगा, नाउ यू हैव टू टर्न दिस फ्लावर इन दिस वे। टर्न द फ्लावर, कम ऑन, टर्न द फ्लावर। ओके, टर्न किया आपने फ्लावर को ऐसे, आपको टर्न करना है ये फ्लावर को। ये देखो इधर देखो, टर्न किया फ्लावर को। अभी क्या करना है, यू हैव टू फोल्ड इट इन दिस वे। ये जो कॉर्नर है ना, ये आपको थोड़ा शार्प करना है, इस तरह आपको अंदर फोल्ड करना है। ओके, सेम वे ऑन द अदर साइड, इस तरह इसको शार्प एंड करके इसको फोल्ड करना है दिस वे। ये देखो, ओके, आफ्टर यू हैव डन दिस, when you see, when you have done, just look at this, this is your flower। आपने ये वाला फोल्ड किया पीछे, ये फोल्ड करने के बाद आप उसको ऐसे टर्न कर दो। टर्न करोगे तो ये आपका ऐसे फ्लावर बन जाएगा। और ये आपके जो फोल्डिंग्स है वो पीछे है आपके, ये देखो ये पीछे है, ये आपका सामने वाला पार्ट है, इस तरह। till here each and everyone is clear, just drop a message in the chat box, each and everyone is clear till here। ये फ्लावर रेडी हो गया आपका। ओके, नाउ we'll proceed for making the stem and the leaf। So look it very carefully, very carefully you have to look, see, I'm starting with this। okay, fold the paper into half, ट्रायंगल में आपको इसको फोल्ड करना है। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, सबने किया? साक्षी okay, open this page, open the paper। okay, place it as I'm showing in the camera। just look at this, I'm sitting over here in this part, so this should be straight line। in this way you have to fold, you have to hold the paper। now आपने एरोप्लेन बनाया, सेम वे आपको इस तरह इसको फोल्ड करना है। ये देखो ऐसे पहले एक फोल्ड करो, किया? ओके, सो सेम वे ऑन द अदर हाफ, ऐसे इस तरह आपको फोल्ड करना है। ओके, सबने किया? this is how you are going to fold the page। okay, each and everyone is clear till here। ये आपका स्क्वायर पेपर है, इस तरह ये आपका स्क्वायर पेपर था, फिर हमने इसे ऐसा फोल्ड किया, उसके बाद ऐसे फोल्ड करना है। ओके, उसके बाद टर्न इट इन दिस वे, टर्न करो पेज को ऐसे। ओके, नाउ सेम वे, जैसे हमने ये दोनों को फोल्ड किया वैसे ही ये दोनों को फोल्ड करना है। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, इन दिस वे, like this you have to fold. One, here comes your second fold. Two, in this way. Yes, समझ में आया सबको यहाँ तक? Everyone is clear till here? Each and everyone is clear? Sakshi? Okay, Purvaja? Okay, very nice. Now, hold the paper in this way and now अभी आपको क्या करना है, इस तरह से आपको एक और फोल्ड करना है यहाँ पे, ऐसे, इस तरह आपको सेकंड फोल्ड करना है एक और उसके ऊपर, और फिर सेम वे ऑन दिस पार्ट ऑल्सो, ये देखो यहाँ पे ये वाले को भी आपको ऐसे फोल्ड करना है। इस तरह, यस वेरी गुड पूर्वजा, वेरी नाइस। ओके, अभी आपने ये किया, अब क्या करना है आपको, अभी आपको क्या करना है मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ये देखो अभी आपको क्या करना है, आपको इस तरह उसको फोल्ड करना है हाफ, इस तरह आपको हाफ में आपको उसको फोल्ड करना है। ओके, ओपन करो उसको, उसको ओपन करो, हाफ फोल्ड करने के बाद उसको ओपन करो, और उसके बाद आपको ये चीज को ऐसे फोल्ड करना है यहाँ पे, ऐसे हाफ में आपको उसको फोल्ड करना है इन दिस वे। सबने किया हाफ में फोल्ड? ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको इसको ऐसे फोल्ड करना है, इधर देखो ऐसे अंदर, ज्यादा दबाओ मत, ठीक है? अभी क्या करना है, इधर देखो, ये चीज को ऐसे बाहर खींचना है, ये जो लाइन है वो लाइन तक आपको ये चीज को लेके आना है ऐसे, और फिर अच्छे से उसको प्रेस करो। Yes, each and everyone had got this. How to do it? Sakshi, very good. Yes, Purvaja, very nice. Purvaja, और थोड़ा बाहर निकालो उसको, ये लाइन को ज्वाइन करो। हाँ, और बाहर निकालो उसको। हाँ, अभी उसको प्रेस करो अच्छे से। ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अब इधर देखो, ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे आपको एक छोटा सा होल करना है यहाँ पे। ओके, एक छोटा सा होल करना है आपको, एक कट करना है ऐसे। ओके, एंड प्लेस योर फिंगर इनसाइड, आपको आपका उंगली अंदर डालना है इसके, और ये क्या होगा, आपका ओपन हो जाएगा. एंड देन यू जस्ट हैव टू पुट दिस पेपर इनसाइड. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. So here our tulip flower is ready. Yes, you can take a Fevicol. You can take a Fevicol in this way. Okay, Fevicol लेना है, and then you just have to put it inside and just press it. Okay, आप Fevicol लेके उसको stick कर सकते हो. Okay, so just look at this. Here our tulip flower is ready. Yes, was it easy or is it is hard? Yes, it's easy or it's very tough. Was it easy? Yes, very good. Sakshi. Purvaja, very nice. Who is this? Jagruti, very good. Jagruti, you just have to look at the shape, because ये जो चीज है ये आपका प्रॉपर आना चाहिए. आपका देखो ऊपर से फ्लैट हो गया है. ओके, ये कॉर्नर्स आपको शार्प करना है. कॉर्नर्स. जागृति. Yes, anyone else who have made this? Pranav? You are made, Pranav? Yes, Manasvi, very nice. Very good. Very nice, Manasvi. So this is our tulip flower which we have done. Yes, it is craft paper. We call it origami paper also. Okay. So this is our today's topic which we have done. Just look at this. This is how we have. You can make the tulip flower. Yes, you can make of any color if you want. Okay. So was it easy, each and every one? Is it easy? It was easy or it was very tough? The when you were folding this, uh, when we were making this stem and the leaf, it might be bit tough because there are too much of fold. But don't get confused. Each and every part is you can easily you can do it. Okay, you just have to remember the folds. Yes, each and every one. This was our today's topic, tulip flower. I hope each and everyone had got this.